This video is for every person out there who at any point during this lockdown has felt that he or she is worthless or jobless. Listen to this video. So today I'm going to give you a very positive perspective about this situation and these feelings of depression that keep hitting us every now and then these days. First of all, it's quite natural to get this feeling because we are so used to our fast-paced lives that time this sudden slowdown is bound to hit us in this manner. Accept this. And the fact that you and me, we are able to get these thoughts in our mind is a proof that we are actually privileged, because there are a lot of people out there who perhaps don't even have that power left in them right now to think about something like this, because they are struggling for food, they are struggling for shelter, they are struggling for survival every day. So it's very important for us to appreciate the fact that we are actually the lucky ones, and it's up to us now to fight with our inner feelings and overcome them. And the most important thing that we can do right now is stay positive. First of all, find your gateway. It can be anything: singing, dancing, writing, reading, or just watching your favorite shows out there on TV. But remember, it's very important to distract yourself from these thoughts. And when I say find out a gateway, I only mean the healthy ways. Because there are a lot of people who find out their gateways by binge eating or consuming inappropriate and bad stuff. That's a wrong thing, because you might be able to distract yourself from these depressing feelings, but then you are exposing your body to unhealthy stuff, because of which you are physically harming your body. So it's very important to find gateways which are healthy to you. Once you find out these gateways and you distance yourself from these depressing thoughts, take every measure possible, do everything to ensure that these depressing thoughts don't hit you again. There are a lot of things that you can do. Do something which you always wanted to do but you couldn't find time for. Try out new things, explore the net, explore new and adventurous things on the internet. Try out different things. Try to find that pleasure. And let me tell you, even I went through this feeling a few weeks back. And that's when I decided to distract myself. And that's how I decided to start on my YouTube journey. And I am in a very good space right now. I'm reading different things, I'm scripting my videos, I'm shooting my videos, I'm editing them. So I'm pretty occupied right now and I'm in a very positive state of mind. So that's how you need to do it. You need to find out a way to distance yourself from these depressing feelings. Also, this is a very good chance to let your body get into a routine of itself. You don't put your body into a routine, into a mechanical routine. Let your body organically design its routine. Just ensure one thing, that everything you do has a constructive impact on yourself. Something that gives you happiness or knowledge, or both. Also, we all are imperfect, right? No one is perfect. And our entire life is about identifying our shortcomings and overcoming them. So this lockdown is a very good opportunity to do that. Identify your shortcomings. Identify the shortcomings in your personality and then find out ways to overcome them. For example, you're bad at maintaining public relations, and just pick up your phone and start messaging people whom you wanted to be in contact with but you couldn't, or you didn't. Start building up good relations with people. You want to develop fluency in a certain language, start reading a lot of stuff in that language. Gain fluency. Try becoming the best version of yourself. You might feel lazy to start with, but then remember one thing. Just push yourself into it. Once you start doing things, you will see changes in your mental health, how positive you will be. And in the end, I want to say that this lockdown is actually a boon for all of us. That is you and me, the privileged ones. The fact that I'm able to make a video and the fact that you guys out there are able to watch my video itself is a proof that we are extremely lucky. And this pandemic and 2020 as a year might seem the worst things ever happened to us. But how I see this is, 2020 is actually a year which has come as a revolution. It's going to bring an extremely good revolution. It has given us a big opportunity to identify our shortcomings, to find out better ways of doing things. Not just at the individual level, but also at the world level. The dynamics of industry is also going to change. We all know what's happening right now, right? So 2020 is not the worst year. It's actually a benchmark year. And year which is going to change the dynamics of the entire world for our good and for the good of our environment. So it's really important for us to use this opportunity extremely well by being positive and working on yourself. Stay happy, stay positive. We all will go through this. Accept, adapt, ascend. Tada.